Benvenuti everyone. Previously, we have done 1-18, we're going to do 1-19, which is the same thing, write a ratio, but with word problems. So here's how it is. Today's lesson is write a ratio word problems. Here we go! So let's learn with the example, shall we? Judith's ice cream shop sold 12 sundaes with nuts and 3 sundaes without nuts. What is the ratio of the number of sundaes with nuts to the number of sundaes without nuts? So we're asked to find the number of sundaes with nuts and the number of sundaes without nuts. So with nuts 12, without nuts 3. So it will be 12 to 3. But if you want it simplified, it will just be 4 to 1. But let's not get too cocky with that, okay? So let's figure out the real deal now. Brett's Burger Place made 42 burgers with onions and 1 burger without onions. What is the ratio of the number of burgers without onions to the number of burgers with onions? So if it were total, it would just be like 41 plus 2. It would be 43. But that's not smart because that's not what the question is asking. It said, what is the ratio of the number of burgers without onions to the number of burgers with onions? So if you want to maximize your opportunity for getting this right by reading the question, you gotta do it like this. So I'm going to say that it is 1 to 42. So I'm going to draw an arrow there, and it may discombobulate you, but we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. That's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 2 of Wednesday. Okay, how time flies. So ignore the grade level. So this is our second part, which means it's our interim. So let's get to it. 9 students are going on a field trip, and 31 students are staying at school. What is the ratio of the number of students who are going on the field trip to the number of students who are staying at school? You know what to say from the magic school bus. Please let this be a normal field trip. With the frizz, no way. Okay, let's not get too cocky, okay? So, it's going to be asked for the one as underlined below. So I'm going to say that is the one who's going on the field trip to the number of students who are staying at school, and it will be this one. Because 9 students are going on the field trip, so that will be right here. And the number of students who are staying is 31. So you can see the difference. So let's go. Yeehaw! I know it worked. That's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on part 3. However. Okay, guys, this is part 3. So let's get to it. Mona has 63 rose bushes in her rose garden. 39 of the bushes are blooming. What is the ratio of the number of bushes that are blooming to the number of bushes that are not blooming? Write your answer as 2 numbers separated by a colon, for example, 2 to 3. So what I've done here is figure out the ones that are not blooming by doing 63 minus 39. That would equal to 24. So I'm going to say that is, since it's asking for the ratio of the number of bushes that are blooming to the ratio of bushes that are not blooming, it's going to be 39 to 24. So we're going to check if it's correct or erroneous. Let's go. Yeehaw! We know it worked. Superb, you have mastered the skill and earned a gold medal. Win more prizes, keep practicing. And yes, I did have some trials and errors because there were like fractions and like I had to type the word 2. And yeah, there's many ways to do it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. We hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you on the next video. Au revoir.